dishwasher, and she wanted to get a stainless steel one, which was nice because now it matches everything else. You could have got a chintzy cheap one that was just black, would have been a little bit cheaper, but you got the stainless steel. I mean, that's a good touch.
We had a little issue with that.
Yeah, we sure did. Their cord on there, they said it wasn't long enough, and so you had to call Home Depot back because they installed it for us, and then they sent 2 guys out with a cord, didn't they? And that cord was still too short, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And so when the guy came back to install the new cord, he found out that cord was shorter than the cord that was in here. He was able to loosen up a little bit of the wire down in the junction box, put some electrical tape on it where it came out, and had just enough room to get it plugged in way back there in the corner. See how it's kind of bent over.
Thank you.
But it works, and the dishwasher works.
He was our savior.
Yes. And what else did you do, baby? You took all the old felt bumpers off because some of them were missing, some of them were flattened down, and on the taller cabinets doors, she put one in the middle too. I told her to put one in the middle as well as the top and bottom. And so she did that. On the drawers, they only had one. They chintzied it. They had one in the middle on both sides. And we took those out and put one at the top and the bottom, top and bottom. And when they close, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, they don't slam.
That's nice. So you went around and did that. And what else did you do? See the knobs here?
Yeah, there were no pulls in the bathroom.
In the bathroom for 9 years, there were no knobs.
Yeah.
No knobs there, no knob there. So we took off one of the knobs in the kitchen. We took them where? To Home Depot. And I marked these and matched everything else, and barely able to sneak past the middle section here, the style, and put one even on the medicine cabinet door. That's nice because you can really open these. You have to open them with your fingernails.
Yeah.
You know, that looks way better.
And you know, I like knobs.
And she likes knobs. Where were we? Over at my mom's.
Yes.
My mom's house. All of her cabinets at a Del Webb. None of the cabinets for however long she's lived there, 12 years, they were basically the same, weren't they? In her kitchen, her drawers.
And what did we do?
We put knobs on every single one. But those were two holes, huh? Because we had a handle. So I had to drill 2 holes in every single cabinet door. And we put them on. Oh, they look nice. Okay, so we put those on. That looks really nice. We got one even up here too. That turned out good. And I still have to caulk around the tub at the bottom, and I've cleaned all that. It looks really clean.
Yeah.
I could almost do without caulking it at all, but you know, I took it off. We do a nice job there, and I'll still put white caulking down there. I could even put white caulking around the tub, but I'm gonna try to use the same color that they had before, which almost looks like the grout color. That's actually caulking in the side. Over there was caulking, and it was loose from there down. I took that off, so I still got that to do. So we're gonna be here all day tomorrow, all day. Kind of a long day tomorrow, I'm sure, because if you want to get out of here for the next day, we'll get up to a good point. Okay, all right. Let's vamoose.
This is Video Joe.
And
Mrs. Video.
hey, that's all we have for today. But we'll be back with more videos. Won't we, baby?
Yes.
Okay, let's get out of here. Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Let's go.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.